Welcome to my video. Today, I'm gonna explain to you the evidence of evolution. Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms have developed and diversified over time. Evidence of evolution comes from a wide range of scientific disciplines including paleontology, comparative anatomy, molecular biology, and genetics. These diverse forms of evidence all support the theory that species have evolved over time. Here are some key pieces of evidence for evolution. Comparative embryology. These are fish, turtle, chicken, and human. They almost look the same. You might think they're very similar species. This structure developed into a fish's gills, but in early stages, these structures are also present in reptiles, birds, and even humans. These structures also develop tails. In early stages of development, tails are formed in all vertebrate species, even if they don't grow and develop to actually have a tail. For instance, all vertebrate embryos have a stage where they all have gill slits and tails, which is a shared ancestral feature. Structural and anatomical evidence. Structural evidence, also called anatomical evidence, involves comparing the body structure of organisms. This could involve comparing teeth, bones, and organs. While human arms, cat legs, whale flippers, and bat wings have evolved to perform different functions, the anatomical evidence shows us that we share the basic set of bones. Molecular evidence from DNA sequence. The definition of being related to someone is sharing DNA, your hereditary material. All life on Earth has genetic sequence that we share, from plants to animals to single-celled organisms. There are genes that we all share in common. The strongest and the absolute evidence that we have to support common ancestry is the DNA that we share. Techniques like gel electrophoresis can be used to compare DNA between species. Fossil records. Fossil records is our greatest source of evidence for evolution because it tells us that species from the past were very different from they are today. While fossil record is incomplete and we only have fossils for a fraction of species that have existed, we have evidence of change over time. Fossils cannot provide DNA, so scientists analyze the structural evidence to look for similarities and difference and use chemical evidence to determine the age of the fossils. Together, these lines of evidence paints a comprehensive picture of the process of evolution and how species have changed and diversified over millions of years. The theory of evolution by natural selection proposed by Charles Darwin provides framework for understanding how these pieces of evidence fit together to explain the diversity of life on Earth. Anak ko.